Do you often wear makeup?
Yes, almost every day.
Yes, almost every day. If I'm just bumming around the house, I don't bother putting makeup on. However, I have a very professional job, so I always put on my best clothes and makeup when I go to work. If I go without makeup, I feel sloppy and unprofessional. I also like to wear makeup when I go out, so I just feel more confident with my appearance. What does wearing makeup mean to you?
I think it makes me comfortable.
To me, it's a way of taking pride in my appearance. It makes me feel like the best version of myself. Furthermore, I am artistic, so I see my face like a canvas. Do you give makeup as a gift?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, but I am always hesitant as I don't always know the right shade of makeup to buy for another person. If someone requests makeup, I would certainly buy it for them. However, I would feel too nervous to pick it out myself, so I would opt for buying a gift card instead. What do you think when you see a man wearing makeup?
Nothing in particular.
Nothing in particular. Everyone has the right to express themselves, so who am I to judge? I wouldn't even blink an eye if a guy walked by me wearing makeup. Actually, I often see it in my city, so I'm quite used to it.